What is up, everyone? My name is Quentin Gooden, and today we are in the beautiful Leeds, Alabama, enjoying my life. Today we're making a follow-up video to the cold start video that I made a couple of days ago. You guys seem to really enjoy the exhaust. I've gotten a lot of views and a lot of likes out of this thing, and it really makes me happy. The exhaust has definitely made this daily driver a lot more fun, because in all honesty, it was kind of boring. It really was. It was way too quiet. Way too quiet. So if you're wondering what I did, I had the muffler deleted just completely straight through with this tip on there, and it actually sounds really good. It does not sound ricey at all. I've actually been researching exhaust for this car for a long time, and I was going to go with an engine exhaust, and the way they sounded, it sounded really good. But then I actually started to look up muffler deletes, like complete muffler deletes. The few videos I heard, they sounded super ricey. But it turns out it was because they removed the resonators. If you remove the resonators, it's going to sound like a rice rocket. But if you keep the resonators on it, it'll actually sound pretty good. And I'm gonna be honest, I've been enjoying this exhaust ever since I got it done. It's definitely made the car a lot more fun. So today we're going to film a POV video to let you guys finally hear what it sounds like whenever it's being driven really hard. I've been wanting to make a video like this for a while. It's actually been one of my goals to get this car sorted out. But I'm just going to film a good video. One of my favorite roads in Alabama, and as you can see, there's a lot of activity around here. Everyone from bikers to car enthusiasts love this road. It's pretty awesome. But let's go. By the way, this is where I crashed my Miata. car to be an NPC driver. One thing I like about it is the exhaust. It actually makes that K-Series sound, in all honesty. That signature K-Series sound that every K-Series has. Especially the high revving ones, like the ones in the 8th gen Civic Si or the TSX Type S. Which I would love to get my hands on. Over there. I think I'll stop at this abandoned gas station right here. Well, guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been wanting to make it for a while, and views and the likes that I got from the last video, I had to make a follow-up video to it, because you guys seem to really like this exhaust, and I do too. It's definitely made this car 1,000 times better. I like the car already, but it was just kind of boring with the stock exhaust. You didn't get any noise until you hit like 5,000 RPM, and as you know, you can't ride at 5,000 RPM the entire time you drive. So yeah, it definitely made this car a lot more fun, and I'm surprised. Usually when you take the mufflers off a 4-cylinder car with no turbo, it normally sounds terrible. But if you remove the muffler, the resonators, it will sound terrible. But that's the gist of it. If you want to see more content, please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I would love to see you guys interact with my channel. I'd love to bring you guys some more videos and connect with you all. And I promise, I'll try my best to bring some more videos. Alright, have a good one.